In this video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself, a little bit about my background, and how I got to where I am today. I'll try not to be too self-indulgent. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Troy, and I'm the founder of Brewster Integrated Solutions. I am a Lean Six Sigma black belt with over 20 years experience in operations and quality systems management, working in medical device, general manufacturing, aerospace and defense, biotech, and cannabis industries. My primary specialty and focus is in ISO 9001, ISO 13485, and FDA medical device requirements, specifically 21 CFR Part 820. I've also worked in AS 9100 and NADCAP environments. I partner with small to medium-sized businesses to provide operations and quality management support. I create, implement, and maintain quality management systems. I also build, manage, and maintain day-to-day business operations. I've also moved, closed down, and liquidated a business. I got to where I am by people taking chances on me, figuring it out as I go, and not being afraid to get my hands dirty. As a quality person, the best thing one can do is to learn the business, learn the operation, learn the manufacturing process, be on the floor, get your hands dirty. What you don't want to do is you don't want to sit in your office and rain requirements and process down on people and departments without understanding how those processes and changes will affect the day-to-day operation of the business. Here's what makes me a good partner to your business. What I will do, I will partner with you to implement and improve processes that work for your business, not my needs. What I won't do, I won't come in and implement cumbersome processes and procedures and hand you a binder of procedures and then walk away for you to figure it out. My goal of this channel is to share all my experience and knowledge, because the reality is it does me no good having this stuff rattle around in my head all day. That's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it beneficial. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And comment if there are subjects you would like me to cover in future videos. If you'd like to know more about my background and potentially partner with Brewster Integrated Solutions, my contact info and links are in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.